Hello, this is RAW drum filter, and I show for you our product. First, small drum, this 5 cubic for 1 hour. With control box, mesh, stainless steel, lid, motor reductor. Next, this 10 cubic for 1 hour, 10,000 liter, 1 hour he can clean. Next, this drum filter, 25 cubic for 1 hour. Yeah, stainless steel mesh, stainless steel nozzles for pressure pump. Yes, and control box, same, can regulate how long time he work when open automatically. Next, 35 cubic for 1 hour, 35,000 liter, can clean for 1 hour. Yeah, this is and last filter, this for big pond or farm, drum filter RDF 55 cubic for 1 hour. This is our big filter. Yeah, big, nice, very strong. You can see. You can look. And this is beer filter we make for filter 25 and 35. And this is our product. Yes, if you have question, you can write for me. Thank you for looking.